Welcome back. Let's do question 1. Right, we're now doing mixed questions. Let's do question 1. It says that in the rectangular prism, AB is 8 centimeters, and then BG is 9 centimeters. This is BG. BC is 12 centimeters. This is a rectangular prism, so we know a rectangular prism is made up of what? Rectangles. And then the interior angles of a rectangle are 90 degrees, isn't it? Calculate the length of the diagonal CF. Okay, we want the length of this diagonal CF. So what can we do here? For us to be able to do that, we can find GC. We can find GC, and then after finding GC, we can use GC and FG to find what? To find FC. What would be the length of FG? FG should be also 8 centimeters because these are what? The sides of a rectangle in a rectangular prism. If you look at AB and FG there, they must be equal. Right, let's start by looking at triangle GBC. Triangle GBC. Right, triangle GBC is a right angle triangle because this angle here is 90 degrees. So we can find GC using this triangle. So we're saying in triangle BGC, GC squared is equal to BG squared plus BC squared. And then there is in Pythagoras. GC squared is equal to 9 squared plus 12 squared. Then GC squared is equal to 81 plus 144. 81 plus 144 is 225. And then we square root both sides here. Then GC is equal to the square root of 225, meaning that GC is 15 centimeters. Okay, square root of 25 is positive or negative 15, but since GC is the distance, so it's going to be 15 centimeters there. Let's look at triangle FGC. Let's look at this triangle FGC. We want to find FC, and then we say that FG is 8 centimeters, right? So let's find FC using the Pythagoras theorem. So we're saying in triangle FGC, right, we have what? FC, which is the hypotenuse, is equal to GC squared plus GF squared. We have FC squared is equal to GC. We just found that GC is 15, so this is 15 squared, and then GF is 8 squared, like that. GF is 8, so we're going to have 8 squared. We have FC squared is equal to 225, then plus 64. Right, 225 plus 64, that is 289. So to find FC, we're going to square root both sides. Then we're going to find that FC is the square root of what? 289. Then the square root of 289 is what? Is 17 centimeters. So it means this is 17 centimeters.